Good morning, everyone. It is 11:14. Baby is sleeping, taking her nap. I'm drinking hot chocolate. I think it's very appropriate to drink hot chocolate because it snowed. Look how cute it is. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. We got like 4 inches, I think. I'll show you guys the side right now. So cute. The house is decorated for Christmas. It's a little bit of a hot mess right now, so yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my hot chocolate, enjoy this beautiful view of the snow. I'm so happy it snowed. And then probably wait for Baby to wake up, and then that's it. That's the plan for today. We're probably not gonna leave. So yeah. Hey guys, we just got home from Target and getting lunch. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target. So I found a present for Scarlett for Christmas. Got her this little octopus spin and see suction cup toy. So that's fun. Oh my god, and I also found the cutest thing ever. It's a book and it says her name, Scarlett. 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. And I think it's so cute. They have a lot of other names. So if you have a kid or you need a present for a child, I think this is such a cute little present, like a book. Another thing that I got is mouthwash. Matt and I love this mouthwash. It's one of our favorites. And I got Matt a stocking stuffer, so there's that. I got some ramen. Got the miso soup. Oh, it's hot. I got extra noodles. I'll show you guys how it looks tonight. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. And I also got boba. I got mango. I got fruit boba. I got, oops. Try it out. So I got mango. I got mango with lychee jelly, and they also put mango on the bottom, which is so good. So I'm going to dinner. I'm gonna eat my food before Baby gets all crazy. So bye. Okay. Yum. So you're really propped up on pretzels and my noodles, so. That's so good. So I got the spicy miso. It's my favorite. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just trying to mix it up a bit. I'm so excited. I love ramen. So good. Ooh, they put a lot of hot sauce today, so it's gonna be real spicy. But I like it. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. Oh, so good. Oh, it always hits the spot for me. Like, it's so good. Honestly, 10 out of 10. And I'm so happy I got extra noodles because I still have a lot of broth left. It's spicy today. They weren't playing. They're like, you want spicy? You get spicy. Hey guys, so we got a packet from Thrive Market and we're so excited to open it. So we got another package coming tomorrow. It's the freezers, the frozen stuff. Okay, I don't know what to start with. Show this side. Ooh, so we got these sweet potato chips. So excited. Wow, there's a lot in here.
You ordered a lot.
Got some, of course, Chomps, Matt's favorite. We got some Daily Crunch, Unique Crunch Sprout Nut Snacks. Cacao and sea salt. Sprouted almonds. I'm excited for this. I'm gonna open it, actually. And try it out. It's actually pretty good. We got some Smart Sweets, sour melon bites. This is up your alley. And we got a free book. Oh, it's a recipe book. That's exciting. So we got a free recipe book. We got bees wrap, reusable food storage. Okay. But there's more. You got 2 things of peanut butter?
I guess so.
2 kinds.
Oh, one was free. The almond butter was part of the package.
Peanut butter and almond butter.
The almond butter was part
Okay, so the almond butter was free with the book. So if you're a first time subscriber, I guess they give you like an option of something for free. We got some organic peanut butter creamy. Ooh. This is the beeswax paper. Ooh, it feels so weird. Sweet up. The package is really nicely. We got some soup. Tomato bisque, roasted red peppers, and cream. We got 2 of those. Want to do this for dinner?
Yeah, I could do that. Probably only need 1.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited for this. The love corn. There's barbecue, sea salt, and cheesy. So it's just corn. It's corn. We have a lot of snackies. Ooh, we got a fig spread. We do a lot of charcuterie boards in this house, so super excited about this. Honestly, charcuterie boards are like Lunchables for adults, so. And the last thing, what do you think this is?
Probably in glass. Whatever it is. Oh, is that the ghee?
The ghee. Clarified butter. So we got this also for free. So we got this, the almond butter, and the recipe book for free. We are super excited to try out all these yummy snackies, and maybe make some of these recipes. They look really good. Ooh, baked meatballs with fresh mozzarella. Like everything sounds really good in here. I think because I'm super hungry too. But I'm always hungry, so. Yeah. But yeah, that's everything we got from Thrive. We can't wait for our next order to come in, which will be tomorrow, the frozen stuff, so. So yeah. Bye. Hey guys, so I got an Amazon package. I got some stuff. I got some stuff for my parents and for my brother for 3 Kings Day. I don't know if you guys celebrate 3 Kings Day or if anyone celebrates 3 Kings Day, but my family does. I got my brother this cool, The Amazing Spider-Man like poster thing. I think it's like a comic book. He loves Spider-Man, so I think this was really cool. And for my parents, I got them a new Cuisinart coffee maker because theirs crapped out. The next thing that I got, I think this is for like myself and the baby. I got this mascara transparent brows and lash. I need like a clear gel for my brows. I got baby girl some spoon sets, training spoon sets. So I'm gonna wash these and give them to her. I think these are pretty cool because these are delicious. Oh, so we've been trying to because the baby's still swaddled and she loves it, but we have to transition her to her arms being out, and it's been an adventure. So anyways, so I got her these cool spoons. They're like rubbery, so like I'm gonna clean this, sterilize it, and give it to her and see if she plays with it. Like, so she kind of gets the idea of putting it in her mouth, and opening her mouth. So I think it's very cool, very awesome. Awesome. And then I also got her these. I think these are really cool because you can like put the food in it, like in the middle, and then they can just, you know, do it themselves. So I thought that was cool. Oh, my baby's crying again. Okay, I don't know what else I got, but I also got this brow mascara. I am excited to use this because I've been wanting to use like a brow mascara. So excited. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, to be honest. What else did I order? Oh, okay. Duh. So I bought these bins for the baby's closet so we can put her clothes in. So this is pretty awesome. I like it a lot. It's okay. I just don't know how to close it now. Maybe like this. Love it. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Amazon. I'm super excited to use this stuff. Scarlett, it's okay. Baby's sleeping. Hopefully she sleeps for like an hour. You know, because lately she hasn't been taking her naps. So, she seems really tired. But look what we got. We got our other Thrive box, our frozen stuff. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see what we got. Packaging is insane. Okay, I might have to put this on the floor. Okay. The first thing that we got was these evergreen bacon, egg, and cheese. We are so excited to try one of these. So excited. Because there's only 2 in a box, so we got 2 of those. Oh, we got these cream cheese stuffed everything balls. So excited! Like there's cream cheese inside already, so yum. We got this cilantro lime chicken. So it's chicken fresh strips with bright chimichurri sauce. So I'm really excited to try that out. And we also, Kevin's, we also got the sirloin steak tips with gravy. We might do this one tonight. So exciting. We got wild berry pancake bites and feel good. We got some Snow Days cheese, pizza bites, mozzarella cheese, and tomato sauce, and golden crust. There's not much in here. It's like so little. It's only me and Matt. And then we got these Amy's. We got Amy's pizza. We got Amy's margarita pizza. Amy's stuff is really good. So that's all the frozen stuff that we got. Honestly, so far so good. We're liking the Thrive stuff that we got. So far so good. We like the stuff that we got so far. If you find these at your like supermarket or your organic supermarket spot, definitely pick these up, or you can probably order them from Amazon or whatever. These are so good, so good. If you want like a crunch, like a crunchy snack, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna put this stuff in the freezer. And oh, we did our last night we had mac and cheese. Last night we had grilled cheese, and we used our beef tallow. And yo, go get it. Like, go get it. You're missing out. Like, this stuff is so good. It smells like oxtail soup. Like, but I like it, so it doesn't bother me. So the grilled cheese came out perfection, and we also tried the tomato bisque, the roasted pepper and cream. This so good. It literally is just like so good. Like this, like Matt doesn't really like soup, but he said this, like he can drink this whole thing by himself. Like I was thinking like this with like little meatballs. That's it. That's it. That's it. Like, so good. So if you guys can pick this up anywhere, this is the brand. This is the brand's name. 10 out of 10. Really good.